Securing smart contracts is important, as even a small flaw can lead to significant financial losses. Here are 5 expert tips to help you write secure smart contracts like a pro. First, think before you code. Don't rush into writing code. Spend ample time brainstorming and planning your project's logic. Think about the architecture, potential vulnerabilities, and how to mitigate them. Drawing a diagram of your contract's flow can help you visualize potential security risks and ensure you've considered all aspects before starting to code. Second, use the latest programming language versions. Always use the latest version of your chosen programming language, whether it is Solidity or another language. Newer versions often include security enhancements, improved libraries, better syntax, and optimized code. Staying up to date ensures you are working with the most secure and efficient tools available. Third, avoid calling untrusted contracts. Calling untrusted contracts can be incredibly risky. Imagine a situation where you are using a delegate call function. If you call a contract that isn't properly secured, it could potentially compromise your own contract. Always verify the security of any external contracts before interacting with them. Fourth, prevent state changes after external calls. Implement the check effects interactions pattern to ensure that all state changes occur before any external calls. This helps prevent attacks where an attacker could manipulate the state of your contract after an external call has been made. For example, in a withdrawal function, ensure that the funds are transferred only after all checks have been made. Fifth, guard against reentrancy attacks. Reentrancy attacks occur when a function calls an external contract before it resolves its own consequences. This can lead to attackers repeatedly calling the function, potentially draining the contract of funds. To prevent this, ensure all state modifications are completed before calling external contracts. You could also use function modifiers to prevent re-entry. Remember, security is an ongoing process, and it's always best to stay informed about the latest threats and vulnerabilities.